Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, our today's topic is time. Listen carefully. Time is a concept that helps us to measure and understand the duration of events. It's divided into units like seconds, minutes, and hours. In analog clock, there are two hands. One is minute hand. The minute hand is longer, it tells the time in minutes. Hour hand, it is shorter. The hour hand is shorter. It tells us the time in hours. In digital clock, the left hand side tells us the hour and the right hand side tells us the minutes. See you in the next lesson.